Today I will introduce how to install Google Apps on this Mi Pad 1. First, we need to download the Open Google Apps. I recommend the mini pack. I've already downloaded, so let's get started. Power off. Then boot into the recovery. Okay, so let's install. I've already installed it, so I will not show, which I need to click and swipe to refresh. If you finish the installing and the clock cannot start, we should go settings, apps, clock, storage, clear data, and then we finished. If you want to log in the Google Apps, we should give the Google permissions. We should give him location and give Google Play Service all the permissions. Then it can finish the checking and log in the Google.